lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about 10 habits you need to quit for that ultimate glow up in 2025. So if you are ready to become that girl, then grab your journal and your pen and let's dive into it. Neglecting self-care. Okay, let's get real. Skipping self-care isn't just neglecting yourself, it's blocking your glow up potential. Self-care is so much more than occasional spa days or face masks. It's about setting aside time to nourish your mind, body, and soul consistently. Drink your water, yes, all 8 glasses. Eat balanced meals and prioritize rest. Feeling overwhelmed? Try journaling or meditating, even for just 5 minutes. Self-care is also saying no to things that drain you and yes to things that refill your energy. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup, babe. Treat yourself like the queen you are. You deserve nothing less. Procrastinating your dreams. Procrastinating on your dreams is like putting your glow up on pause. And girl, we don't have time for that in 2025. Whether it's starting that business, working on that project, or going back to school, delaying your goals only makes them feel further away. Here's the tea. You don't have to have it all figured out to start. Break those dreams into tiny achievable steps and take action daily. Even small progress adds up over time. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Newsflash, it doesn't exist. The longer you wait, the longer you stay in the same place. Your future self is counting on you to take that leap now. Ignoring your skin needs. Now let's talk skin. Not all products are made for you. So stop following every TikTok trend without doing your research. Start by understanding your skin type, oily, dry, combo, or sensitive. Then build a skincare routine that actually works for you. Cleanse, tone, moisturize, and always use SPF. Yes, even on cloudy days. Oh, and consistency is key. Using a product for a week and giving up? That's not it. Your skin deserves love, care, and patience. Living in the past. Girl, let's talk about how living in the past is holding you back. Whatever happened in 2024, whether it was an embarrassing moment, a heartbreak, or even a missed opportunity, it's time to leave it where it belongs, behind you. Growth happens when you focus on what's ahead, not what's behind. Forgive yourself, learn from those experiences, and move forward. You can't glow up if you're carrying emotional baggage everywhere you go. So leave it at the door and step into 2025 like the baddie you are. Remember, your future is a blank canvas, so start painting it with vibrant, new possibilities. Overthinking everything. Overthinking is like being stuck on a hamster wheel. You're going around and around but not actually getting anywhere. In 2025, we're leaving those endless what-ifs behind. Overthinking doesn't solve problems. It just creates ones that don't even exist. Start recognizing when you're spiraling and hit pause. Ask yourself, will this matter in a week? Or in a month? 9 times out of 10, the answer is no. So instead of obsessing over every little detail, like, why did I say that? Or what if they think I'm weird? Rather, focus on taking action. Life's too short to live in your head. Feel the fear and do it anyway. Bad eating habits. Okay, I'm not saying cut out all your favorite snacks. Like, fries are practically a love language. But babes, we need to talk balance. Eating junk food 24/7 might feel satisfying in the moment, but trust me, your body deserves better. Start small. Swap soda for water or green tea, add some colorful veggies to your plate, and explore healthy recipes that are actually fun to make. You don't have to go full-on health guru, but fueling your body with nutrient-packed meals will leave you feeling amazing and glowing from the inside out. And leave the sugar binges for a treat, not a routine. Bad sleeping habits. Let's stop glorifying that I only got 4 hours of sleep life, like it's a badge of honor. Your body and mind deserve rest. Sleep is your ultimate beauty and productivity hack. It's when your skin repairs, your brain processes all that info, and your body recharges for another day of slay. Start creating a bedtime routine that feels luxurious. Think cozy pajamas, a warm cup of chamomile tea, and maybe a few drops of lavender essential oil on your pillow. Also put that phone down. Scrolling TikTok until 3 a.m. isn't the vibe. Prioritize those 7 to 8 hours and watch your glow up unfold effortlessly. Not setting boundaries. Listen, girl, saying yes to everything is not your job. When you don't set boundaries, you're basically handing people a free pass to drain your energy. And guess what? Your time and peace are priceless. Start small by learning to say no without guilt. If something doesn't align with your goals or values, it's okay to decline. Boundaries protect your mental health and ensure you have the energy to focus on what truly matters. Whether it's friends, family, or work, make it clear what you're comfortable with. Respect yourself first and watch how others follow suit. Remember, boundaries are a form of self-love. Neglecting mental health. Your mental health is just as important as your physical glow-up. Neglecting your mental health is like trying to slay in a cute outfit but forgetting the confidence to rock it. Take time to check in with yourself. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Stressed? Anxious? That's your mind telling you it needs some TLC. Journaling, therapy, meditation, or even a heart-to-heart with your bestie can work wonders. Stop ignoring burnout and pretending you're fine when you're not. Remember, glow-ups aren't just about looking good. They're about feeling amazing inside and out. Being too hard on yourself. Okay, let's have a heart-to-heart. Why are you so hard on yourself, sis? Life isn't a race, and you're not behind anyone. You're exactly where you're meant to be. Stop beating yourself up over mistakes or things you didn't achieve yet. Perfection is overrated, and nobody has it all figured out. Instead of being your worst critic, try being your biggest cheerleader. Celebrate your small wins and remind yourself of how far you've come. Give yourself permission to rest, grow, and learn at your own pace. Glow-ups happen when you embrace self-love, not when you drown in self-criticism. Alright, queens. That's a wrap on today's glow-up tea. 2025 is all about stepping into your power and becoming the best version of yourself. Let me know in the comments which habit you're ditching first. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this with your glow-up besties. We're in this together, babes. Until next time, stay glowing, stay gorgeous, and let's slay 2025. Bye.